Making fresh chili powder at home is the best use of all the peppers that you've harvested from your garden. In today's episode, we look at how to make your own chili powder at home. So no matter what kind of peppers you are growing in your garden, whether it's hot Thai chili peppers, the very hot black cobra pepper, or the cayenne pepper, after harvesting your peppers, it's very easy to make fresh chili powder at home with these simple steps. And the first step is to harvest all your chilies, and once you've harvested them, you need to dry them. They're quite plump and full of water when you harvest them, so you need to dry them. There are two ways of drying your chilies. One way is to dry them in the sun, which is a very easy technique. You just lay them out in the sun, and then in just a few days, they will be dried completely. The next method to dry your chilies is to use a dehydrator. Now once your chilies are dry, what you need to do is grind them. Now I use my trusted Blendtec blender to crush the chilies into the chili powder, and that is because this is such a powerful blender that you don't need to filter or sieve your chili powder before using. It grinds these chilies into this chili powder which is very fine. And all I do is I just turn it on, and in about 30 seconds the chili powder is done. Now do note that the chili powder that you make at home will be a lot stronger, a lot more pungent than the one you buy at the grocery stores. This is fresh chili powder that's extracted from pure chilies. And as you can see here, the chili powder is so fresh, so colorful, and so nice. And as you can see here, the color looks just amazing. And depending on the variety of chili that you harvested, your chili powder will be that much hot. And as you can see here, beautiful looking chili powder. You can store them in plastic containers, airtight plastic containers, and they can be used for a long time. So there we have it, folks. That was our quick video on how to use your harvested chili peppers. I hope you like this technique and use it. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. We'll see you again soon. Happy gardening.